And the winner is... Hey, as a reminder, this channel is not sponsored by Kreg Tool Company or any company for that matter. This subscriber giveaway prize was purchased with my own money and used during a tool review. If you'd like to check out that tool review, I'll put a link to it right up here. So as promised, we have randomly selected a winner. And that winner is Rick Schmidt. Congratulations, Rick. You're the winner of a brand new, slightly used because I used it in the demo video, but Kreg 520 Pro. Hey Rick, all you have to do is respond on this video or any video for that matter, because I check all my comments, and once we connect, we'll make arrangements for me to ship this to you. Hey, as a reminder to everyone else, I'm doing periodic tool giveaways, so make sure you stay tuned to this channel and watch out for the next one. In the meantime, I've been putting out some more videos, and I hope you've been enjoying them. So stick around and I'll see you in the next one.